The hole in the fairing has been repaired. I've plastic welded this piece back on that you can see in the centre of the screen, and that's been filled with ABS material. The orange section of the fairing has received its base coat, white, and we're now ready to apply the orange top coat. Before I apply the top coat of paint, I'm just going to use a paint preparation wipe just to remove any last pieces of dust that have attached themselves to the surface. I'm not going to rub too much with this wipe because it does contain a petroleum type substance, and with this being a water-based paint, it can soon rub the paint away. So the tail, you see how that's taken that off? Just rub that gently, just to remove pieces of dust. This seat cowl has already had 3 or 4 layers of paint, and you have to build up the paint in layers because each time you apply a coat of paint it just darkens the colour. It starts out as a kind of like a tangerine type colour on top of the white, but with each successive layer it darkens and until you find the shade that you're looking for. The paint has been warmed in warm water, not boiling hot water, just warm water, just to warm the paint. This paint's from RS motorbike paint, and it's WB Honda 28393 Repsol orange. Give the paint a good shake for 2 minutes, get it thoroughly mixed up. Warm the paint with just to help dry it quickly with heat gun on a low setting. Just hairdryer heat is all you need.